Welcome. In this video, I'll show you, in my opinion, the best Minecraft texture packs for 2026. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up right here, we have Faithless. Faithless texture packs. You can go ahead and download it via CurseForge or Modrinth. You can view the gallery right here, as you can see. It's pretty awesome. Now, the second one right here is Realism Craft. Okay, go ahead and find it, Realism Craft, and this one can be downloaded through Minecraft or the Minecraft website. The third one we have here, the Fresh Animations. Okay, Fresh Animations Minecraft. You can download this one from Modrinth or CurseForge as well. Now let's go ahead over to its gallery. As you can see, here we have the amazing visuals for this texture packs. Now the next one we have Pure BD Craft. Okay, Pure BD Craft. Hit on enter. As you can see, now you go ahead and download this one from Minecraft as well. This is the amount of coin and the approximate value as per currency. All right, here's what it looks like. Another one right here, we have Nautilus Minecraft right here. I'm sorry, Nautilus 3D right here. You can go ahead and download it from CurseForge or Modrinth as well. So just for you to see, let's go ahead over to its gallery. Here we have the samples, the rails, cherry blossoms, title screen, the crops, and the mushroom. Okay, the maze as well. And the last two we have Optimum Realism. Okay, you can go ahead and download this one from CurseForge as well. Under description, we have the images or samples or video here as well. And lastly, we have Bare Bones. Okay, you can go ahead and download this one from Modrinth. And you can go ahead and play the video from here or go ahead over to gallery. And here we have the samples. All right. And that is it. Those are the best Minecraft texture packs in 2026. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.